theory. Very good. So let's say I don't know anything about IT. I don't know anything about technology. Okay. I ask one person. I ask you people. Says, explain me what is table. What is the significance of table? Maybe let's say I am a customer. Okay. And I say I given some work like I want one application for you construction. My construction work. Okay. Then I also start seeing the things maybe which are interesting. So some developer came and say, we want to create a new table. Okay. Then I ask back, say, why table? What is table? So I am a complete layman. Now, how you can justify or how you can say what is table? Anyone?
It's a data format, sir.
What is data? See the okay. Now I am a layman. What is data format? I don't know data format. Maybe your answer is right, but I for me it is not understandable. I can't understand what is data
So
format.
information record or something.
Information. I know information. Okay, it's a message. Please complete the statements.
Maybe that store data set.
uh, is a constructive data in a sorry, it's stored data is a constructive manner, constructive way.
So yeah, maybe my application name is construction application. So constructive. I got it, but still I didn't get table. I don't know anything, ma. I don't know anything construction data. Also, if I can ask one more question, what is data? Data, as per my knowledge, okay,
Piece
data
of
means
information.
message.
Yeah, piece of information.
Yeah, you need to explain to a layman, ma. Just keep it. The how you explain it. Let's say how you are explaining to your kid where he doesn't know even how to start computer also. Okay, so maybe India villages, Indian kids, rural kids.
This
The,
is
it's, it's the arrangement of data.
It's the arrangement of data. Okay, now I will ask what is data?
actions that to store.
Okay, so fine, all answers are right, but for this particular person who is listening, all answers are not completely right. Okay, so why I asked this question is sometimes in interviews we get people who doesn't know technical stuff. So when we are explaining things, no, we should explain in all the languages, not only English, but general languages also, general terminologies also. Okay, so that time don't start with technical words. Take with examples. Okay, construction is your application requirement. So you want to explain the table. So you can tell like, okay, let's say your construction application. Okay, today or per year you will create 100 construction requests. So to store that 100 construction request, we need to keep it in some place that is called table in the database level. Whatever you are giving the answers, all are right. But I am giving the answer to make that person to understand. Right? Then if you still ask a question, okay, still I didn't get, then I can say one more. Okay, let's say you are a bank employee. You are logging to your customer page. There you are seeing the data. You are seeing your statements. You are seeing from last 5 years of your account data. How, where it is storing. In the bank side, there is a table where they are storing your information. Right? If I tell like this, will he able to understand compared to the previous answers that you given? Yes, no?
Yes, and
Others? So, anything, okay, any technical thing, when you are learning any technical thing, attach with a scenario, attach with an example. If you start attach with an example to explain, it makes very easy to explain instead of explaining in a technical manner. Right? All these sentences that you've given is right. I didn't say it's wrong, but if we explain with an example scenario, okay, it makes completeness, and also they don't ask any other questions. From today, not only today, even for previous classes also, any definition, okay, any concept, if we are explaining it, explain with a scenario. Okay, that you start practicing from now, even encoded query also. Okay, so encoded query, it is difficult to explain. Someone tried to explain it, okay, appreciated, but still it won't give a full line. Actually, it won't give complete sentence. So in that case, let's say go to the list, if you apply some two filters, active equal to true or some other filter, and then generate a filter, run the filter, and then take the query. The same thing will be converted into the other format. Maybe that way you can cover it. Okay, if you explain this way, the other person will also get to know that you really worked on the tool instead of you are only speaking the definitions. This is very important point now. Okay, when you are saying something, see here, I will tell something. Okay, reference qualifier have three types. Simple, when it's simple, we use condition builder. All your brains went to reference qualifier page, and you clicked that reference qualifier type. You seen three, and then you select simple, and then you seen that condition builder page also in your minds. You all imagine? If I understood, maybe if I am correct.
Correct.
Okay, even though enquired query also, when I say enquired query, apply active equal to true and some other filter, okay, and take the query, you are all in that page, even though you are seeing here a plain notepad, but you are going there, your mind is going there, right? Agree?
Yes.
So
Agree.
that the same feeling the interviewer also will feel when he is hearing the answers. So how you explain is very important, ma. Okay, please start practicing that. Okay, so complete the sentences, that is first thing, and explain any topic with scenarios or examples. Not only this ServiceNow, maybe you try ServiceNow, you don't try ServiceNow, maybe some other tool, any tool, but this practice this one, it makes fullness of the sentence, and also it gives a good impression. Okay, so any topic from today, you please take a note in your personal notes that every topic, at least one scenario is minimum. If I ask, or if someone asks, you need to explain the same topic with minimum one scenario. Okay, maximum you can write n number of scenarios. In class we will cover at least one or two, and you can see some YouTube videos, get some scenarios, some other use cases. Okay, for a minimum three you can write it. Okay, even though I tell, if I don't tell, okay, start seeing these things and also noted these things in your personal notes when you are preparing a class. Okay, you have to write the scenarios, at least three. If it is attached with some code, even you can start writing the code also, practice the code also. Going forward, we will see the code also. Okay, okay. So this is social class completed. Now